New Outlook for Windows flag. An email in the new Outlook for Windows, you can use flags to make it easier to find and track email messages. Go to your inbox and right-click on the email you want to flag. Select Flag. Then select a scheduling option. We'll go with next week. The email is now flagged. Notice the flag icon and the highlighted color as a shortcut. You can also click the flag icon on the message itself. Right-click to see scheduling options to unflag it. Right-click and select Clear Flag. You can also flag an email using the ribbon. Select the email you want to flag. Then select Flag in the ribbon. You can view flagged items in your to-do list. Just open your to-do list and select Flagged Email. Thank you for watching us.